Welcome back to our channel, Cash Chronicles. In today's video, we're diving into the fundamentals of personal finance. We'll be discussing one of the most crucial aspects of financial success, budgeting for beginners. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. Section 1. What is budgeting? First things first, let's talk about what budgeting actually means. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for your money, outlining your income, expenses, and savings goals. It helps you gain control over your finances and make informed decisions about how you spend and save. Section 2. Assessing your income and expenses. The next step in budgeting is assessing your income and expenses. Start by calculating your total monthly income, including your salary, side hustles, and any other sources. Then, list out all your monthly expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Section 3. Differentiating between needs and wants. Differentiating between needs and wants is a critical aspect of budgeting. Needs are essential expenses required for survival, like housing and food, while wants are non-essential expenses that bring you pleasure or convenience. It's important to prioritize your needs over wants when creating your budget. Section 4. Creating a budget. Now, let's create your budget. Start by subtracting your total expenses from your income. Ideally, you want to have money left over after covering your expenses. Allocate this surplus towards savings, emergency funds, or paying off debt. It's crucial to set realistic and achievable goals. Section 5. Tracking and adjusting your budget. Budgeting doesn't end with creating a plan, it requires ongoing monitoring and adjustments. Track your expenses regularly to ensure you're sticking to your budget. If you overspend in one category, look for areas where you can cut back. Be flexible and make changes as needed to stay on track. Section 6. Tips for successful budgeting. Let's wrap up with some tips for successful budgeting. First, automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. Second, consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses more efficiently. Lastly, practice patience and discipline. Budgeting is a long-term commitment. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of budgeting for beginners. Remember, budgeting is the foundation for financial success. By taking control of your money and making informed decisions, you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. Stay tuned for more finance tips and join us on our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. See you soon.